देश की अर्थव्यवस्था कोरोना महामारी के बाद बिल्कुल चरमरा सी गई है। ऐसे में देश के करदाताओं को हत्यारा और डकैत कहना कहां तक जायज है, ये बात उठाई है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता मकरंद डी अड़कर ने, जो जीएसटी के एक मामले में मुंबई हाई कोर्ट के औरंगाबाद पीठ के समक्ष पेश हुए थे। सुनवाई करते हुए औरंगाबाद पीठ के जस्टिस तानाजी नालावड़े और जस्टिस मुकुंद सेविलकर ने प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करते हुए कहा है कि व्हाइट कॉलर अपराध डकैती और हत्या से बड़ा अपराध है। इस बयान से देश का करदाता और वकील समुदाय आहत है। आइए जानते हैं कि पूरा मामला क्या है। दरअसल अहमदनगर स्थित एक इस्पात कंपनी गणराज इस्पात प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के निर्देशकों ने मुंबई हाई कोर्ट में अग्रिम जमानत को बरकरार रखने के लिए अर्जी दाखिल की थी, लेकिन कोरोना महामारी के बावजूद उस अर्जी को खारिज कर दिया गया। हालांकि इस्पात कंपनी ने 84 लाख रुपए जीएसटी कर के रूप में भी जमा किया था। उसके बाद भी करदाताओं को अग्रिम जमानत नहीं मिली और सख्त रुख अपनाया गया। आपको बता दें कि देश के इस प्रतिष्ठित कंपनी ने पिछले 3 वर्षों में 126 करोड़ का टैक्स भी भरा है। फिर भी आखिर ऐसा क्यों हुआ कि मुंबई हाई कोर्ट को इतना सख्त बयान देश के करदाताओं के खिलाफ जारी करना पड़ा कि आर्थिक अपराधी हत्यारे और डकैतों से कम नहीं हैं? हमारे साथ इस पूरे मामले में जुड़ रहे हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जाने माने वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता मकरंद डी अड़कर जी, जो जीएसटी मामले में इस्पात कंपनी की ओर से पैरवी कर रहे थे। देश के करदाताओं को हत्यारा और डकैत कहना कहां तक जायज है?
See, I'm really wondering why this observation or a certification has come. And in the facts of this case, means I myself did not understand the context. The facts are so innocuous and so simple. A neat question of law, whether to apply certain provisions of Criminal Procedure Code to the proceedings under GST Act, CGST Act to be precise. This is the question. On this question, there are quite a few petitions pending in Bombay High Court. Quite a few petitions are pending in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court in one of the orders indicated that they would like to decide this question whether to apply provisions of Criminal Procedure Code to CGST Act. So, when such matters are pending and a bench of High Court, same High Court, makes an order that investigation to go on, no coercive steps. No coercive steps. Same or similar order is by the Supreme Court. So rather I was requesting only for such kind of order, nothing more, nothing less. And if you consider facts of my case, because this observation has come in the facts of my case, some third person or a businessman makes a statement which refers to my client also, and the authorities reached me and they indicated that, see, that this is the transaction and 84 lakhs appears to be the liability. And my client, being a very well established businessman, deposited the liability indicated and decided to participate in adjudication with whatever legal issues permissible. Having deposited 84 lakhs, how my client became worse than a dacoit or a murderer? And this certification, I'm really disturbed, because I would not like to comment on the merits, because we do intend to take it to Supreme Court. So no comment on merits. But this kind of certification will lose its efficacy if such certification is given without sufficient cause. And let us not forget that now central government is making official policy decisions to decriminalize Income Tax Act and the PMLA Act. And in this context to brand them or brand those who are running our economy. In all this COVID-19 situation, we have understood what is economy, and when economy is slow, what happens, we really understand. And we are not the people. We don't run economy. Those who run economy employ us. Those who run economy offer employments. Those who run economy, they create jobs, create money power, which runs economy. And to call them murderers, worse than murderers. And what, I don't know why High Court indicated that while considering anticipatory bail, please bear in mind that white collar crimes are more serious than dacoity and murder. It's all money. If found guilty, there can be heavy penalty. It's all money. The assets can be confiscated. That's what Madras High Court has taken a view. Madras High Court says, let there be adjudication. In adjudication, if it is clear that some wrong has been committed, you may go for prosecution. This was indicated to Honorable High Court that there are differences of opinion. Let us wait till Supreme Court decides, nothing more, nothing less. So this kind of certification in the facts of my case, I don't understand.
क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि देश के करदाताओं के साथ सरकार को नरम रवैया अपनाना चाहिए, ना कि आपराधिक मुकदमा दायर करना चाहिए?
See, I am not justifying wrongdoers. Let us be clear. Let us be clear on that. But can we say that the department is always right? Can we say that the SSC is always wrong? There are cases and cases where department raise demands and which are set aside by courts. Now what happens under CGST Act? There is a power to arrest. A particular officer is satisfied that there is a reason to believe that some wrong has taken place. There is a power to arrest. There are judgments of Supreme Court whereby I can say that there is developed what is known as a arrest jurisprudence, means jurisprudence against arrest. 94 Supreme Court Joginder Kumar, unless there is a heinous crime, please don't arrest. I remember, means the case rather which I indicated to High Court, Division Bench Delhi High Court decision vis-a-vis Finance Act of 1994, which was concerning service tax. That division bench decision, Delhi High Court says that unless you follow natural justice principles, please don't arrest. And a very highly placed officer of Make My Trip was arrested, and that arrest is found illegal by Delhi High Court. So view taken by Delhi High Court, confirmed by Supreme Court, indicated to the Honorable High Court. I think arrest can wait till some wrong is found. Arrest can wait. Once the person is arrested, there is an incalculable harm to the reputation of a person. That is the problem. A specific statement supported by affidavit is made in the petition before the High Court that the petitioners and his family members, they paid 126 crores towards taxes in last 3 years. Are they roadside businessmen? Are they the people who run away from tax regime? It is not possible for them. So much is the size, it is not possible for them. But once there is an arrest, please understand, for if there is a white collar crimes is serious, then for a white collar person to get arrested is like social death. Social death. So all these things will be considered by Supreme Court. The only request was, please wait till Supreme Court decides, because the CGST Act gives a power to arrest. on the satisfaction of one officer. The arrest is found illegal after 2 months, 3 months. What happens? What happens? So why to do something irreversible unless there is adjudication? Very simple thing. But it is for Supreme Court to decide.
क्या आपको लगता है कि टैक्स भर देने से गलती माफ हो जाती है? गलती तो आखिर गलती होती है, वो सजा का हकदार तो हो ही जाता है।
गलती हो गई तो सजा है, isn't it? If it is intentional, that's why, rather very good question. That is why Union of India seems to have taken a stand in writing before the Supreme Court that after adjudication they may or may not go for prosecution. So the authorities will look at the facts, whether there is some calculated design or a mistake happened. We are all prone to mistakes. We keep on committing mistakes. In our system, trial court decides A, first appellate court decides B, the High Court decides C, the Honorable Supreme Court. Is it intentional? No. It can't be. Can't be. It's a matter of perception. How you look at law. How you look at law. And once you have accepted, there is a hierarchy. And in that hierarchy, the law declared by Supreme Court is the law of land under Article 141. So, coming back to the facts of the case, the only request I made before the High Court that let us wait till Supreme Court makes authoritative pronouncement. Please don't allow any irreversible harm. What was so great about it? Judiciary making a statement has a tremendous weightage in the society and that must be maintained. Must be maintained.
मकरंद जी, आपको क्या लगता है कि देश के करदाताओं पर आपराधिक मुकदमा दायर करना कितना जायज है?
And that is the power which is bothering the community. The business community is getting bothered by that power. Before they get proper opportunity to justify the satisfaction of particular officer can lead to their arrest is bothering them. See, as I said earlier, there is an official statement by the finance minister that a serious thought is being now given to decriminalize the provisions of Income Tax Act, Money Laundering Act. So this thought is on already. There I did not find, but this, if money laundering can be decriminalized, then I think CGST should be taken as on a lower pedestal than PMLA.
आपका अगला कदम क्या होगा और आगे की रणनीति क्या है?
It's not a रणनीति. It's not रणनीति. I think is an exclusive domain of politics. In our profession, what all we look at that our country should get the reasonable law, isn't it? I don't think my clients can afford this kind of social distinction of being worse than dacoits and murderers. So we have certainly advised them, and we hope to go to Supreme Court.
न्याय टीवी से बात करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.